Hi there, my name's Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today I'm going to bring to you the 2018 gaming boombox. Check it out in all its glory. So if you have a look there, this is one with an actual screen built in, and if you look really closely here you can just about make out the Nintendo Switch. You can see there, I'm moving it along. So that is the gaming boombox. What do you think of it, Chloe? Do you think it's good?
It's really heavy and uncomfortable.
Really?
Yeah.
But it's unique, it's the only one in the world.
It's still heavy and uncomfortable.
Yeah, well I think it's good. So this boombox is a 1990s RadioShack Portavision. We have a radio built into it, we also have a tape player built into it, if you remember them. And as well as that, we have a little TV, a little black and white TV, which is actually a CRT, so it's not an LCD, it is a proper tube TV. And the bad thing about it is it's analog. That's why it's redundant nowadays, because all the TV signals are digital, well in the UK anyway. So we can't get anything to work on this unless we convert it, and that's exactly what I've done here. Now the things I've got on this gaming boombox is a little SNES Classic, I've got a little PlayStation TV, so the Vita TV, I've got a Nintendo Switch, and I've got a Wii Mini round the back there. So you can see, potentially, you could have a lot of fun with this. Right, okay, let me show you the setup of it. Now it is portable, although it is extremely heavy, so it's not really portable, but still it is all powered from batteries, so you can use it anywhere. So for example, let's take the Nintendo Switch. We've got a Nintendo Switch here at the side. Out of it, it goes into a portable dock, and then the portable dock goes into a little HDMI switch, because I want to be able to switch between the Nintendo Switch, the PSTV, and also the SNES Classic there as well. Still digital at this point. When it comes out of this, it goes into this converter at the back here. It goes in as HDMI as the input, and it comes out as composite. So this is where it gets converted from digital to analog. Now I piggyback onto this using the mini Wii composite cables, the yellow, white and red. So basically this is already analog on this side. So now to convert it to RF, so the actual boombox can understand that, we have to use one of these things here, and this is about, I think it was about £18, so it's not a lot of money, and it goes in as composite, so it's yellow, white and red, and then it comes out as RF, and then from that RF connection there it goes straight into the back here into the external aerial. So that's just one of these connections here. If you have a look, just one of them there. Now if you have a look at the side there, you can see at the moment it's on channel 47, and you can just about make out the Nintendo Switch there. Now, if I was to move this, for example, up to channel 48, you will see that the picture will disappear. There you go, the picture's now gone, and we're now at 48. So this number here corresponds to this bottom scale along here. You see 21, 30, 40, 50, and at the moment it's not exact, but you can see it's hovering around about the 50 mark. So if I was to put this back to 47, you will now see it will come back up here. There we go. Okay, so we're on 47 now, but you can put it to whatever number you want, and then you'll just have to move this along the dial. So for example, if I was to move this all the way down to 5, then what you would have to do is you would have to tune it into that channel there. So if you have a look up here, I'm going to move this along now, move it the right way, so I'm moving down to 25, and now you will see in a minute I'll start to get the picture again. There we go, and now the picture is back. Okay, so that's basically how it works. Right, let me now show you a little bit of gameplay.
I said, are you go?
And as well as that, the radio still works. Okay, so to show a bit of gameplay, what better place than to show it in an actual tent. So to begin with, we're going to do the Nintendo Switch and Mario Kart 8. Now, it's hard to film because of the banding you get on CRT TVs. In real life, with your own eyes, you don't actually see that, but hopefully you'll be able to see a bit of gameplay. Okay, so that's the Switch now. So now we're using the Super Nintendo Entertainment System Classic, the tiny little mini one, and I'm using this world's smallest controller with it as well. So let's do a little bit of Super Ghouls and Ghosts. And with this one as well, you can go home by just hitting the select and down, and then it will take you back to the home menu. Right, let's show you a little bit of PlayStation TV. So now we're using the PSTV. I've got the DualShock 4 controller connected up. Here you can see the menu there. Let's go to Nidhogg. Right, and last but not least, let's show you the Wii. So now we've got the Wii and we're using the Wiimo. You can see that I've got a little sensor bar here, just a wireless one, built into the handle here, or just stuck on top of it. Right, okay, so if you have a look closely, you can see when I move the pointer, it is moving around on screen there. Let's do a bit of... There we go. So that is the gaming boombox. Obviously this video is just for fun. Nobody in their right mind would do this in real life, but I'm pretty sure I'm probably the only one in the world to have this set up, probably because there's nobody else that actually wants it or needs it. But nevertheless, it's still fun to connect up stuff like this. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more how-to videos. Take care, bye now.